Suddenly, an idea pops up.
Aha!
Excavator makes a phone call.
Let me help you.
From afar, dump truck and mixer truck
it's me.
arrive.
Hello.
Dump truck's bed is full of building materials.
Hi.
Come on, guys,
The
let's
vehicles
go!
happily wave at each other. Dump truck reverses into a clearing and unloads the materials. Dump truck drives off. Excavator moves in. Excavator lowers his bucket, starts digging the ground to make space. He scoops up the soil bit by bit. The ground becomes smooth
Well
and level.
done.
Mixer truck pours cement and sand into the drum.
Okay, let's
The
do
drum
it.
spins. Concrete pours out. Mixer taps the ground to check the hardware.
Okay.
Good
Wait,
job.
it's good.